876 Streets is powered by
Massive Auto Parts. Quality parts and cars at unbeatable prices.
Swift Team Services. Your freight, our priority.
Jeffrey Constructions Limited. It's all in the name.
Big up to that one. Jamie Marsh and Jason Marsh coming from the United States, driving two All Motor cars. First time both of them ever driving that car, either of those cars. Impressive, very impressive. People, we're giving you 10 more minutes of grudge races. We have to watch out for the darkness setting in. 10 more minutes of grudge races.
You can't afford to miss the next Valvoline Drag Rivals. From November 21 to 23 at Vernamfield, Clarendon,